Okay, we're going to show now another way of doing the roof. We have our original roof set up here. The blocks have all been unlinked. We've created a new roof layer to show the second one, and so we shall start on it. We'll start by just grabbing, putting the work plane by face onto one of these faces and duplicating. In fact, there's another way, which I just did before. So I'll just put a section line through here. It's still selected, as you can see. And then we'll just duplicate it. So I'll go back and we'll just move it up like so, and then we'll grab the other side like so and move it like that. So it's, oh, damn it, duplicate that one. Sometimes it wants to. There we go. We've got that. So now we can deform that. Just go back, join it to there, fuse these two ends together like so, and we'll just get this one here to line up. There, better. So there you can see we've now got the extra planes. So by putting the work plane on that face, we can now bring that to line with there. And for this other edge, 90-degree angle, just cut it like that, and we'll just move it out a bit to line up with like that, and do the same thing on this side. So cut this one here, so that's now in the right spot, and this other one we can then bring it in to there. So I've now got part of the roof done. We've got an issue here at this corner, and I'm going to show you a different way of duplicating. So doing two shots in one. So this one here, we'll put the work plane on this face, and then we'll select it and then duplicate it up like this. Okay. Rotate and do the same on this face. Select, duplicate, and move up like so. Not as accurate that way, the way I did it just then. Now we'll just put a work plane to intersect through there. You can see that. Didn't I? I did. Why isn't it showing up? Oh, I didn't duplicate it. Oh. No worries, we'll just go back to putting the work plane on there, selected, and bringing it down to the point there. There we go. Needs a bit of adjustment now because I stuffed it up before, but now that we've got the work plane on there, we can just snap them to the various corners like that, and we can do the same with this one. Whoops. That one and this one as well. So there, okay, and we'll just do this other side, bringing that down to this point and over to that point there. So there you can see it, they now intersect. What we'll do is just put the work plane there and create a section across through there, and then join those two ends. Doesn't want to do that, so just step it out a bit more. Sometimes it does that when it's saying it can't fuse it because you're in the wrong part of the geometry. So sometimes you just got to reduce things like that, and then nope, still doesn't want to do it. Try it now. Oh, come on. Let's go back a bit more. Let's try it now. Step it there. There we go. Sometimes it has its own mode of behaviour. So we'll just fix this point up. I think that one there is correct. Now this, you can see this triangle here we have to fix up. So we'll do that again like before. No, the point is putting a cross mark in, grabbing the deformation and just moving this point up to there. Oops, too far. Like so. And you can see that one sticking out. So we have to now adjust this one over here. So just give you an idea. So what we got to do is create a little cross bit over here. So we need to cut this block somewhere to do that. So we'll just cut it roughly there. So it's creating a four-sided block. And then we can now use our deformation tools to go to that point there. Bring that one up to this point here. And that one to that point there. And then this one up to that point there. And there you can see we've got it. And I like to keep things reasonably square, so we'll try that. And then we can fuse these two together. And look, disappears. Haven't quite got this join here correct. Oh yeah, the plane's sticking out too far. So we'll just grab that one and just fix so it goes to the corner properly. There we go. And it hasn't got to here right, so we'll just fix that one up. That leaves up the last one, which is this plane here. And again, we just grab the middle and bring it up to the apex, like so. And to get rid of those join lines, work plane on the face, active alignments, and this one's as well. And those two over there will rotate. Put that one there. And it's just between those, so we're going there. And those two. Pretty much done. And this last one over here. So we'll just make them one face. And this point here needs a bit of adjustment. Let's see how it is now. Ta-da! There we have. Still not quite right here. So we'll just check which one it is. And that one's alright, must be this one. Yep, there you go. It's just a bit over too far. So we'll grab that point, stick it there. Now we should have a proper line. Yes! So there we have another way of doing a roof.